This week we're going to be talking about haiku poetry. These are a traditional type of Japanese poem. They focus on some aspect of nature. The awesome things about haiku poetry is that they use 3 short lines. The first and the third lines have 5 syllables each, and then the second line has 7 syllables. I'm going to read these haiku poems and see if you can identify the features that we just talked about. Cricket. Cricket on the fence, chirping morning, noon, and night. Song with just 2 notes. I have a little prompt there to go down to my Think Aloud cloud. Let's see what my Think Aloud cloud says. It says, I can ask questions as I read to help me better appreciate each haiku. I can ask, what do I know about crickets? Have I heard one chirp before? Living in southern Indiana, we can all pretty much bet that we have heard crickets chirp before, so we can really relate to that poem. Lizard, he darts, zigs, then zags, blue tail flashes, then he's gone under a cool stone. Ooh, I love that poem. I've seen lizards do that a million times. Our third poem is Firefly. Her pinpoints of light flashing on, off, on, flashing, hello, you. Oh, we have a Think Aloud cloud prompt there. Let's see what it says. I can ask, does a firefly flash its light on and off to communicate with other fireflies? I think that later I will look for the answer to this in an encyclopedia online. Little scholars, sometimes when you read something, it does lead you to more questions, and you should always follow up on those. We have something now called Google. It makes it very easy. Ants. Soldiers with the crumbs of our delicious picnic marching one by one. Ooh, I think that's a really good visual there where they talked about ants as being soldiers, because I've seen them walk in a line like soldiers do. Oh, there's our little Think Aloud cloud sign. Let me go see what that says. Think aloud. I can ask myself, have I ever seen ants at a picnic? And is the writer saying that ants are like soldiers? Is it because of the way they move? Oh, that's funny, my little scholars, because I was already thinking those things before I even saw the Think Aloud cloud. Snail. It's early morning. Slime trail glistens in the sun. But where is the snail? All right, I want to take snail, and I want to look at one of the features that we just talked about of a haiku poem where it says the first and the third lines have 5 syllables each, and the second line has 7 syllables. So I'm going to clap out this first line of snail, and let's see if it does have 5 syllables. It's early morning. It does have 5 syllables. I did 5 claps. So then the second line should have 7 syllables. I'm going to clap. You count my claps. Slime trail glistens in the sun. Oh, that did have 7 syllables. Now I'm going to clap out the last line, and let's see if it has 5. Count my claps. But where is the snail? That definitely did have 5 syllables. So you know what? This might be a good time for you to think about haiku poems and maybe write one of your own.